Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a trade secret, that's a biryani masala powder. Yeah, this is also known as a Bawarchi biryani masala powder. I'm going to show you all the secret ingredients used in it and a perfect proportion to make a perfect biryani. So without much wait, let's check it out. To make this awesome biryani powder, it's all the game of flavors. For example, I have taken here nearly 10 cloves and a half a teaspoon of stone flour, or you may call it as a dhagad ful also, 2 star anise and a 2 to 3 inches of cinnamon stick. This is a 3 kopak buds, or we known as a Marathi muggu in our local language. In this I will add nearly a tablespoon of jeera and a 2 tablespoon of fennel seeds, that's saunf, and a 2 black cardamom and a teaspoon of black pepper. And in this I will add nearly 2.5 tablespoons of whole dhania. Here you go, this is the biryani masala powder and these are the exact measurements of the biryani powder which we need to dry fry for about 4 minutes on a low heat. And here you can see I kept a pan to heat. The pan is nice and hot. In goes all the spices. And in this we'll add nearly 3 bay leaves also. Just crush them. Make sure you will always saute them on a low to medium flame only. So then only the essential oil present in the spices will come out. Make one thing very sure, that the spices should never get burnt. If the spices get burnt now, it will give off a off taste and a bitter taste also. So make sure you always saute this on a low to medium flame only. And it will take anywhere between 4 minutes until you smell a nice aroma out of it. Now you need to cook it on a low flame.
A few minutes later.
And now you can see it's been nearly 4 minutes frying this. It's perfect. You can see everything has been cooked perfect. Nothing has been burnt. Now let's take this out. Allow this to cool completely and make a super fine powder of it. And here you can see I have taken nearly 20 green cardamom and a half of the maize flour and a half of the nutmeg. Remember one thing, these are the special spices that we don't need to roast them, or else it will give off its natural flavor. So that's the reason why I didn't roast it in the whole spices. I'm doing this separately. To grind it evenly, I'm going to add nearly 1 tablespoon of rock salt. The salt will help to grind them cleanly and improves the friction. That's it. And make a fine paste of this also. And now you can see I have made a fine powder of these whole spices and have kept it here. And also made this elaichi and that nutmeg powder. Now this is also good and fine. The aroma is to die for. This is the secret ingredient that no one reveals. So I'm going to add this. And also we'll add nearly half a teaspoon of turmeric and 2.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder. And give this a nice mix. And this is it. This is a Bawarchi biryani masala powder. This is a lifesaver for you guys. Just store it in an airtight container na, and it will easily last for about 6 months. Don't do it large quantities. For a household na, this is more than enough. Follow this. If you want more, just double the quantities and you will get an excellent biryani powder. Do the biryani and add just 1 tablespoon of this biryani masala powder to the biryani, and the biryani will taste amazing. So I hope you guys like this video. We'll be back with another yummy recipe. You learn something nice now. I have used a lot of my time to do this, to crack this secret recipe, and I've done this only for you guys. For that, you need to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. I'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.